Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. We are now going to be trading binary option live. And as always, make sure you sign up with the broker that you see I'm using up there now. You find the link below the video. So, just bear with me a little. I'm setting up a few things here now so we can follow the chat and all this type of things. So just bear with me while I set up this. Let me see. This is the first live session for the year at my office, so that is pretty cool. Let's see, view my channel. I can't see that we are live. Let's wait a little. Now let me see. No, we are live. My cell phone don't say it, but we are. There, found it. Okay, just like I said, bear with me. There, we have it up and running. I can see the chat. Then we can start trading. Let me do one small thing more before we start. Like I said, we are back from holiday. I have been driving for 4.5 hours in traffic, so a little tired also. So, but I have my coffee, so that always helps. Going live in Discord soon. I'm setting it up right now, so just bear with me. Trading live binary. I can write correct. Binary options. Okay. There. Let me share my screen. That one and go live. Okay, we are now live in Discord also. Like that. Let me. I just came home basically 10 minutes ago, so I've been rushing. That's the thing. So I've been sitting in traffic, so I'm a little tired. So it's not the best time that I had set this time. So I was not expecting all this traffic to get to back to Sao Paulo. It was crazy. Like that. Today I think you'll do the same you have done now. We will take 20 minutes trading with this strategy, and then we'll trade with to another after. I don't have the statistics in front of me here now because I'm stupid. I did not upload it to the cloud. So let's just see how it goes. Let's do like this. We take $100 trades here, 101 with another, and 102 with the last one, and then I can update later with the numbers. Let's do like that, because then it's easy for me to see which strategy is what. So we'll start with the Bollinger Band for 20 minutes. Then we'll take the 7 moving average trend trading, and we will stop the session with support and resistance. So, yeah. But let me find some peers that can give us. We're not going to trade any OTC. We are going to keep just to the good ones. This one very good, by the way. So let's see. We are close to trader now. Let's see if we can go out of the Bollinger Band. And yes, we take one there. We're in first trade of the day. Then I can start to look for more pairs. Like that one. Like that one. Let's see, that one. Good to be back on a good computer. Was super slow in the beach. Now I'm back with the setup I like. I can have 1,000 pairs here to look and much better. We'll get in much more trades. Let's see. That one. Looks like we. Oh yeah, no. I was going to say it looks like we're losing, but now we are in the money. That one. We have a match, room for much more. That one. This one, yeah. I think we're golden now. Let's see how if you did win or lose the trade. We lost the first trade of the day. Okay. So let's keep a small track each pair then. Minus 100 for the first trade. Okay, then we can just jump through all the lists and see if we find something decent to trade. So here we are pretty close. The stochastic is ready. For now, the strategy that is leading, it's the number 1 is support and resistance. Number 2 is 7 moving average trend, and this strategy is last. Okay. So now basically we're going to take a trade if this bar cross below this moving I said moving average bullish band in the bottom, and we have stochastic below here already, so this one is ready. So let's see. If you don't get a trade in a reasonable time, we will just move on. Let's see. By the way, I'm planning maybe tomorrow I will test out my second YouTube channel. For some strange reason, looks like I get more traffic on that one that is much smaller. So I'll do a test tomorrow there. There, we are in. Let's move on. So yes, I might do a test there tomorrow to see how it goes. Just a test. If you get much more people joining in, that I will post a link for that one in Discord after. Let me see, did we win this trade here? Yes, we won that trade. Perfect. That we put in 78 there. Let's close this so we see things better. If you get up here again, we take a trade also. Because I did post 2 videos last week on both of my channels. The big one I'm using here now and the small one. The small one, the big one here got like 20 views on the video, and in the small one I got 1,400 views. So looks like YouTube have put some type of block on this YouTube channel, so maybe we are better off moving over to the smaller one, because there we get more traffic, looks like. Now let's see, we need here we need this bar to come below the bullish band and this stochastic to below 20 to get trade. A little far away now, so we move on. Same goes for the top. We need the bar to go above this bullish band up here, and we need the stochastic to go above 80. If this one can fill up to the bottom again here, that would be a nice trade. Let's see. Yeah, that would be an amazing trade. If we can fill up down around this area here, we take a trade. Let's see. Here the same story. We need to at least come up to this level for me to take a trade. I will not be happy enough just to cross the line here. Here we need up to that level. Where is loading and loading? Oh, I see. We are not. It's not working properly in. I see that now. Let me see. Stop streaming. Let's try again. Let's try now. Yeah, see, we have some type of issue in. Very strange. I see that. We have a problem in Discord. What can that be? I'm sorry. I just come home now. Let's fix fix Discord by tomorrow. So I promise you'll have Discord up and running tomorrow. So there will be nothing in Discord today. Okay. So I disconnect Discord now, and I fix that tomorrow. I did not have time to do things properly. So we do Discord tomorrow. Okay. I got way too little time to fix everything now. So let's start from the start. Actually, looks like you're very close here now. What is this? Let's reload here now. Let's see. Okay, we didn't never come out of that. Then we start from the start. And let's see. Nothing. Here we might get something if we come down to that level again. We can take a trade. So tomorrow will be the first a live session on the smaller YouTube channel as a test, and we will have Discord up and running again. And I would appreciate if you all could help me out a little to build my Discord, so it'll be a little more fun for me there. So try to invite your friends over, because I'm not satisfied with YouTube at all. Hopefully the others YouTube channel we can start to see like 20, 30 people, because I think that's what we normally should see with 400 followers. This one I have now with where we have 6,000, we should see 100. So it's YouTube being YouTube. So let's hope the other one looks to be better. So let's see. By the way, here we might get a trade in the top here now. We're going to trade this strategy now just for more 5 minutes, and we will start to use moving average 7. Okay. Tomorrow, by the way, we will going back to the normal early time, but 1 hour later than we had before. Okay. So same like we had before Christmas, just 1 hour later. So I'm making it easier for people from United States to come in. So that's the time that we are going to be trading the rest of the year. Now let's see. Okay, here also. In here, we have 2 trades going on. We have 4 minutes left of this strategy, so let's see. Okay, they are coming into the money now, looks like, or not. Let's see. This one take only trade if you come down here again. Okay, we won that one, and looks like we're going to win this one also, or not. Let's by the way put in plus 78 here, and minus 100. Okay, so 44 in minus till now with this strategy. We go in there. if this one can cross up here, we take a trade. We have 3 minutes left and we'll jump over to moving average 7. If we come down there again, we'll take it. That looks like it. Yeah. Looks like we won that trade there. Yes, we did. Then we got $88. Now we are in profit. Sweet. If we get up here again, we'll take one. Let's see. But we need to shoot up here for take a trade. We have 2 minutes left, so we are in the ending minutes here now. Same story here. Bid up here. That's good, Maverick. Now let's see. Okay, here we might get something. I want him to fill up this bar, if you can do that. That might be the last opportunity for trade with this strategy today. Looks like we are not going to get, or maybe, let's see. We'll see this bar, we keep on this pair. If we don't get a trade with this bar, we move on to moving average 7. Then we'll trade that one for 20 minutes. Let's see. No? Don't looks like it. Maybe. A little more. If that can happen, we'll take it. No, then we stop. Then we move over to moving average 7. We close this, we close this one. We just write MA here, okay. Here. Moving average, just write MA. Push that one. What to do then? We push this wheel you see here. We change 9 to 7. And style, I just can make it just thicker. I think reds pop up quite good on this background. So now this is a trend strategy. So we just need to identify some trends and we can trade with the trend. Here we have one, it's going upwards. If we can cross below, we take a 1 minute trade. Let's see. So let's change the bid for 101 so it's easy for me to calculate after. So I can see which one is what. So for this one I'll take $101 trades. Let's you can remember $10 there. We take that now for the Bollinger Band strategy. Let's see. Let's move on. It's not enough to say that you're in a trend, I will say. Let's identify a good trend we can take a trades on. This is not a trend either. No. This is trend enough for me. Let's go for it. If we can cross the red line there, we try a trade. It's not a beautiful trend. This is more a trend, I will say. But this trend somehow was a little sideways market here. But we start trend again. So let's take a trade. If we can cross this red line, we try. Let's see. It's the best we can find for now, at least. So right away this bar, just cross this line. We just push down with, let's say, fixed 1 minute trade. Let's see how that will turn out. And if you win, we continue taking trades on this pair. Let's see. So now if this screen can just cross this red line, we go in with a down trade. Let's see. If you take here now, for example, we would have taken a trade here, we would have won. Here would have won, lost. Here, won, probably lost. Then we would not take any trades here. And we'll start again here, and we'll no trades yet. So you see that the win rate is not that bad, just if you keep to it. Now, there we go in. We are in with a trade. Let's see how that plays out. We can look for something else while we are waiting this one, but we move back here after. I would say this is a decent trade also, but I didn't push. If I take that trade here, that will be, I will now want it to fill up the bar. If you can fill up the bar, I'll take it. Let's see. Now let's see how this looks. Oh, wow, we are deep in the money. Deep in the money. Let's take one more trade if you go up here. Let's see. But yeah, here we are getting 70, let's say $80. Maybe get one more here now. I'll take it right away. I will not even wait. We won. I take the one there. You're in. Let's see if we find something else while we are. Let's see. We are in the money here now also. For now, that can be 2 for 2. Let's see how we are in time. 7 seconds. Looks like we're going to win that one also. Ah, no, maybe not. We won it, and we deserved that. So we got 2 for 2. Now he closed it above the line, then I think I'll wait a little. So cool. Then let's go to the start, see if we can identify another trend. I would say here we have a beautiful trend upwards. So now let's wait till this bar close. I will not take trade on this bar. No, I don't like what I'm seeing. Let's move on. Here looks like we're starting a trend. Let's see. We have our bar going upwards here now. Not bar, but this line. Moving average is going upwards. Let's see where this one closes first. By the way, keep me updated if you are taking trades and how you're doing. So this is also something that measure a little about the strategy we're going to be using the rest of the year. I will be testing strategies, that's the plan, the whole year, but I'm going to be selective with the strategies that we're going to test. Not all strategies will be done over 14 days, but this one with moving average 7, Bollinger Band and support resistance, that is what we're going to be testing for 14 days, and I will choose a winner after 14 days. Okay. But for now, the one that have done the best for us now is actually support and resistance. The strategy we have been trading all year. But today we have done quite good with moving average 7, so we never know. I will put in the statistics into the calculation so we can follow it later. So that will be in my typical recap video. I will put in the information so we can keep a track of the strategies. Here Here we have a trend downwards. Now, if this bar can come up and cross this red line, we will then take a trade. Let's see. If we can just come up to this level again, that will be quite sweet. Let's see if we'll do that. Not yet, but we are ready. I take one there. We are in. Let's move on, see if we can find something else. I will come back to this one, see how we do. Here I will say we are starting a trend upwards, so we can take a trade based on this line there. Let's see. Yeah, now we have a trend upwards, so if this bar come down and cross this red line, we'll take a up trade. Let's see. We are ready. Let's keep this one open so you can follow the trade. For now we are in the money. We have done very good with the 7 moving average today. Just winners to now. It looks like you're winning this one also. And we did. Another 70, we'll say $80. That is pretty darn good. Maybe this one will take over the first place after we are done with the trading today. We still have 12 minutes left, so if you continue this way, the 7 moving average might take over the first place. Depending on how good we do with support and resistance the last 20 minutes today. Now let's see. I will take a trade if we can come down to our red line there. Also, let's check Australian dollar, American dollar here now. Should I take that trade here, but I was thinking too much. I think I want to fill it up all the way up. That's the thing. Because when I see something like this and I see he's not all the way up, I prefer him to go all the way up there again. Let's see. There, I take it there. A little slow on the trigger, but let's see. Let's go back to this one. Let's do our reload. Sometimes the bars get screwed up, so we need to reload and to get it correct. So if this one can come down here now, that will be a trade for us. Let's see. If we win this one, then we are really starting good with moving average 7. Now we might get a trade here now. If we can just come down and cross this red line, that would be quite sweet. Let's see. And here looks like we're winning again. Another $80. Just like that. And here, let's see. A little more down before we can take it. Moving average 7 is killing it today. 4 wins, 4 out of 4 wins, and that in 10 minutes. If we can take more 4 trades and 4 wins, I'm pretty sure moving average 7 will take over the first spot. That will be pretty cool. Now let's see. Let's go back to the one we did good. Let's move this one to closer. These two we are trading. Okay, here once again, if we can come up there, we take it. Once again, keep me updated with your trades so I can know how you're doing. And from the strategies, which strategy are you doing best on? That's also something that is crucial for me. And if you think it's easy to follow this strategy here, or if you think it's difficult, that's also something that weighs up for me if we are going to trade this going forward also. But for now, looks like moving average 7 is doing amazingly, I need to admit. Now let's see. Like I said in the start, it's not always the one that will do the best the first day, it's the one that will do the best all over in the end. But today we are doing good with this one. Yeah, have been at least today have been good. But let's see. We will do this strategy all next week also, and in Friday next week I will decide. I will not decide. I will. The one that have made most money is the one we're going to continue with. So let's see. But I do believe that if you continue the way you're doing now, moving average 7 might take the first position. Depending, of course, how good we do after with the support range systems. Let's see. Okay, if you have been here now, we will take a trade down here. Let's see if we can get down there again. Let's see. We need a little lower. If you can just cross this red line, we will take it. So like I said, if you've been here, this would have been another win for us. So yes, it's something we know from Forex. Trade with the trend is always good, and we are basically traded with the trend, so it makes sense that this strategy is doing good in a way. Let's see. Now, if you can just cross this red line again, that would be sweet. Let's see. Okay. If I could open office, let's see, while we're waiting. There. Now let's see. I'm doing some calculations very fast while we're waiting here now. This. This. Okay. Okay. Support resistance is $10 profit. I'm putting in the information. There's still no trades here, so I'm waiting. So I'm following. So put 10. And wow, I lost that one, but that was a too big move, by the way. Let's go to this one. Let's see if we can get, if we get up to this line there, we'll take one down trade. Let's see. Let's see. We are close. We have a sweet trend downwards. So if you can just cross this red line there, we take it. Let's see. And might be the last trade we do for moving average 7. That was not a trade. Looks like now he crossed it, but he didn't. because when we go up, this will go up at the same time. So we need him to cross the red line for us to go in. Let's see. And come on now. I'm ready. If you cross, there we in. That might be the last trade. Let's see. Like that. Okay, cool. Then okay, now we are out of the money. But we have 18 seconds, so let's see. And we lost that trade. Okay. Like that. Okay. Then we will start with our last strategy of the day. We will go over to support and resistance. Let's remove that one. So then we have the good old support resistance. Let's see if we can find one decent area. This area here might be something, but it's not good enough. Not good enough. Here, I will say, we can put a line. Let's take a line here. That will be an area we can take a trade. We need to be careful because we do see a trend going downwards. That means we will come down to this level again, probably. So let's see. Coming alarm here now. There. Okay. So if you can come down to this line there, we will go in with a trade. Let's see. So now I'll trade this strategy also for 20 minutes. Now I can take 100 because I've made the statistics already. I will start little by little to put in the numbers from the first one we did take today. So we did basically take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. 3 winners, is that? 2 losers? Yeah. I'll put that into the statistic here now. Let's make it smaller so I can follow. That would be nice. Like that. Sweet. A little bigger. Then we will take a trade if you come down to this line. Let's put in here. Minus 100. Minus 100. Plus 78, plus 78, plus 78. There. Okay. Then we have everything in order. So there we go in. There we are in. Did cross a little much, but probably I should not have taken that trade. Let's see. At least we move on. Let's see if we win that one. We can keep it open so you can follow. Like I said, it's a big chance moving average 7 will take over the first position. Right now, moving average is leading, depending on how good we do with support resistance today. So if we win this one, that will be a good thing for support and resistance. Let's see. Looks like we're losing. lost that one. So that was so that means moving average 7 is leading the pack. Now let's see, down here start to look good. I'll take a trade there. We're in there. Let's see. We can make the line. I see a little recap of what we did see much of last year. But let's see now. I think that I did enter here. I don't understand why we're not in the money here. Oh no, it should come up there. Now we are deep in the money, so hopefully we win this one. Oh, we are deep in the money. Deep. But if I want to take more trades, I think I'll take it down there. Let's see. And just like that, we won that one. Sweet. 78. Then I'll put that into the calculation. Still, moving average 7 is leading for this week. So we'll do next week also. Here we have a trend going upwards, but we don't have any clear area for support resistance, so we can't trade that. Let's move on. I would say down around this region, but we're far away from that, so let's move on. We're following the trend down here, so you can see the trend is, the moving average 7 would have done good with these two pairs. We did see the trend. Here we might have something, if we can come down there again. Let's see, I'll mark it now. Down around there, yes, we go in there, we are in. Now let's see how that will play out. While we wait, we'll move on to see if we find something else. We can keep up the trade here so you can follow. I would say down here looks to be quite nice. I'll mark that. So if we can come down to that region, we probably will take a trade. Let's see. This one is out in our money. If we can win this one, we can compete with the moving average 7, but if we lose, looks like moving average 7 will lead the pack until tomorrow. Let's see. So for now, before we started the trading today, support resistance was leading, but now looks like moving average 7 will take the place. Let's see. Now let's see if we win this trade here now, and we won. Still, moving average 7 is leading. Let me see. We will need 2 more trades, winners from support resistance, to take the first position. Now let's see. A little far away, so let's move on. Here I don't see nothing. Here we can take a trade, but I will take it down around there, I think. If you can get down there again, that would be a nice area to go in. Let's wait and see. Now let's see. Okay, let's move on. We see that this was a good resistant area, so that means this should be, but it's going a little far down, I feel. So I skip this one. Okay, he finally did break this trend. This area down here start to look interesting. See that this has been a very strong area for a long time. Let's mark it. So a trade around there would be nice. We can put a little up around there-ish. We'll take it. If we get down there again, let's see. We need 2 more winners. Otherwise, moving average 7 will be leading into tomorrow. Let's see. Little more. One more push down and we take it. This was not low enough for us. We need at least to come down to this blue line. But yeah, it was close. Let's see. Now we get one more chance. No. Let's see. We need to stay patient. Almost again. Does not mean that I'm going to get a trade direct on the line, but let's see. At least give us opportunity to get in a little better. We have 12 minutes left of this strategy here now. There, I mean, we got a trade. We can move on. If we win this one and one more, then we should be competing at least. But if you lose this one now, that will not be good for support and resistance. Let's see. Let me put in. Like that. Okay, did we win this trade? Let me see. We won the trade, sweet. Then start to be good. Plus 78. So we are now one trade away from that support resistance will be leading again. Let me see here now. I did not like this one. Let's move on. This area here start to look good. Let's mark it. If you can get up there again, we'll take a down trade. Let's see. See that this area was strong support, no turn resistance. So I think we can get in a couple of trades up there, hopefully. Let's see. So yeah, a trade up there will be quite nice. If you're just looking without an account, make sure you sign up with this broker. You find link pinned in the chat, or you find link below the video. By using this link also, you find a promo code Alpha1, and you get 200% on your first deposit if you decide to go in with real money. So make sure you do that. So yeah, link in the chat and below the video for this broker with the promo code. Now let's see. I will, by the way, I'll make 2 recap videos today, more or less the same. I'll post one on this YouTube channel and one on the another one, and I want to compare which one get the most traffic. That is very crucial for me to see, because I have 2 YouTube channels. I want to see which one give the most after. So that also is something that show me if I will continue on this or the another one for this type of videos. We have 9 minutes left. Currently moving average 7 is leading, but we are just one trade away from changing that. Now if this one close up here, we will put a line around here, depending on the, no, this one broke everything, then we move on. And here we have a crazy move up, nothing you can do with. Depending on where this one close, we might put a line here. Let's see, around there. But he need to close, so you don't make a new line below. I will not trade on this one. I will trade on the next bar, just so you know. So not this bar, the next bar will take a trade if yes. If you now come down to the blue line, we'll go up. Let's see. And little more. There, we are in. We have an entry. Let's see how that will play out. Looks like we have a area down there also. I'll take one more if you come down there. Let's see. Because it's a good support down there. If we fill up the bar, we take it. One more. looks like, let's see now. Let's follow this thread. I will not trade more here now, let's move on. Looks like we need a reload. I screwed up the bars here. Let's see. Now it's in the 0 point. V1. Okay. That means now support resistance is leading the pack. Up around there start to look good. Let's see. Up here, you see. We come up there one time, we come up a second time. If you can come up there again, we'll take a trade. So yes, support resistance have done good. We got one loser in the start, but we won 4 trades in a row after. So now currently support resistance is doing best. Now let's see, if you get up there again, we take it. Let's see. A little more. I wanted a little there, we're in. Did not get the entry I wanted, but let's see. Screwed up again. Let's reload. We have 7 minutes left. Nothing here. I like this area there. Let's see. See here. This looks nice. I'll go in there if you get up there again. That is. Let's see. And we won again. Now support resistance is moving ahead. Plus 78. So now statistics is like this for now. Bollinger Band strategy is minus 378. Moving average 7. This is for the last 3 days. Moving average 7 is 181 and support resistance is 290. So currently support resistance is leading. Now let's see if we get up there again. Yes, I go in there. We are in. Let's see how that will go. And once again we need to do a reload. That is a thing that happens often here now. Okay. Around this range here looks nice. Let's see. I think up around there is nice. If we get up there again, let's see. Now let's see. Looks like we get a loser with support resistance here now. And we lost a trade. Okay, let's put that into the statistic. That means still hardly we are $9 more than moving average. Okay, as I did put in the information, thankfully I did not take a trade here. But up here is nice. I go in there. In there, you see here, beautiful area. Let's see. I think that will be a winner. Let's see. We see that this area have holded quite long. I think we'll win it. I hope so at least. Let's move on. And once again, you see what happened. We need to reload again. Quite often now. Looks like we need to reload every time we come to a new bar now. Little boring, but okay. Here, we'll take a trade up here. Now, if we lose this now, moving average will take over the lead. That's it. We are in the money now, and we won. Sweet. I'll put that into the information. So that means support resistance is leading with almost $100 now. Now let's see. I will take a trade if we get up there again. We are not all the way up, but are close. Little more. I'll take it. Maybe I'm greedy. Maybe I should have taken a trade there. I think let's move the line down there. Let's, if you come up there again, we take it. Yeah, let's do that. So we have our trading zone here now. We have 3 minutes left. Let's see. By the way, keep me updated. Have you taken a trade with support resistance? And how have you done with that one? I would love to have some updates. Like you can write like this: moving average 7, what you made, Boltzmann band, what you made, and then on support resistance, how you did. So I can see your statistics also. That's also something that is important for me, that I see that which one is working for you all also. So, but for me right now, support resistance is leading, then moving average 7, tight under, and Boltzmann band is low compared. But the thing is, Boltzmann band get more trades, so Boltzmann band in one day can take the top position. So we don't know yet. But for now, looks like this is the winning strategy. We just have 1 minute left now. Yeah, moving average 7 did good. That is the surprise till now. I think we can stop there now. I think we have done quite good. We will be back tomorrow. I will post the live session right after now for the another YouTube channel. And I will post the link in Discord so you all can subscribe and like it also, help me out with that, like the video. And yeah, so tomorrow we'll be live in another YouTube channel, and I will make sure we can go live in Discord also. I'll figure out what did go wrong. So all this we'll figure out by tomorrow. So with that, have an amazing day.